burgers, fries, McFlurries. Some people say McDonald's is a premier fast food establishment. Do you know what I think? It's shit. It's really, really shit. In my opinion, McDonald's is a bin that everyone loves to dip in. Some people rate it up there with the creme de la creme of the world cuisine. I just don't know what they're talking about.
Alright, Kieran, lad, how are you doing?
What's going on?
Well, you see, since I'm celebrating not being at work this weekend, I thought I'd have a Mackie D's. This restaurant is top drawer.
Well, I wouldn't call it a restaurant.
Well, whatever you class it as. Do you know what? I think McDonald's is fucking awesome.
Some people say McDonald's is the premier fast food establishment. You know what I think? I think it's really crap. I mean, really, really crap. Oh, I forgot the lines. In my opinion, it's just a bin that everyone loves to dip in. I mean, people who rate it up there with the creme de la creme of the world cuisine, they just don't know what they're on about.
Alright, Kieran, lad, how are you doing?
Hey, what's going on?
Well, you see...
Oh dear. Oh, we'll go to my bloopers reel.
I don't care what you class it as. Personally, I think it's fucking awesome. I feel like
Well, I wouldn't class it as a restaurant.
Well, okay, well, whatever you class it as, do you know what I think? It's fucking awesome! Oh! Oh! God! Oh!
They're getting more and more emphatic.
Do you know what I think? I think McDonald's is fucking awesome! Oh! God! God! This is like supersize me, everyone. The amount of hamburgers I'm having to eat for this. Fucking hell.
Oh dear. It's not my fault either.
I think McDonald's is fucking awesome.